Hey there YouTube, this is sjm4306 back with another video. This time, let me just get this wire out of the way. Um, so I've had this ongoing project where I made these Arducarts, which is essentially an Arduboy clone system. And so yeah, I've been playing around with them, and I've been using these tiny little OLED screens, and they're great. They're pretty cheap, but they're absolutely tiny. I mean, they're smaller than my thumb. And so I ended up buying a slightly larger display. This is a 1.3 inch. Originally, I believe this is a 0.9 inch. Next, scale up is 1.3 inch, which is a little bit bigger. And this is the actual size that the actual legitimate Arduboy uses. But even that's a bit underwhelming. So I thought I would go supersize. And so when ICStation contacted me, they said, is there anything that we can help you with part-wise for future projects? I perused through their product listing and I found this guy. And this is a, what is this, a 2.42, I believe, diagonal size screen. And this is an OLED. And the one in particular that I got is in green, but it also comes in, I believe, yellow, blue, and white. So that's really cool that they have multiple colors. And it uses a different controller than these guys. These guys use, what is it, SD1306s. The 1.3 inch variant has SD1306 as well as SSH 1106, I think, or something like that. So they use slightly different controllers. So this guy uses, I think it's SD1309 or something like that. So it's not directly compatible. It's actually really close, but there are a few instructions, I believe, that are just slightly off. So you actually have to compile the game specifically for this display. But once you do that, it's basically an Arduboy with a giant, beautiful display. So before I actually turn this on, let me show you guys the product listing page and some information. Yeah, so here's a listing on their website. Yeah, we can see it's available in green, yellow, and blue as well. It's $22.50, so it's not as cheap as the smaller screens, but then again, you're getting a bigger screen. So I think it's a lot more functional in this size. And you can see here it just uses a serial interface. I believe it's a 4-wire serial interface. 4 or 5 wires. But yeah, all the boost circuitry for actually driving the OLED panel is generated on the board here. So all you really need to do is send it logic level, run off 3.3 and 5 volts. Anyway, we can see here resolution is 128 by 64. And yeah, other than that, this is very similar to the smaller 0.9 inch displays, pretty much, as far as I can tell, almost identical in terms of functionality. It's just the software is a little bit different. So yeah, anyway, if you guys are interested, I'll have links down below for this. Okay, yeah, so let's not delay this any longer. Let's just power this guy up. You see that display. This one, as I said, was green. It looks quite a... So yeah, it looks quite a bit, I don't know, more green, I guess you could say, in real life. It's kind of hard to capture that. There you go. That's a little bit better. But anyway, you can just start the game. This is basically a Metroid clone. Pretty cool though. Really hard to play with one hand. Don't have the ability to get in that door yet. Anyway, yeah, you can see everything works. And the display is super nice looking. I've seen pictures online of certain, I don't know if it's a different manufacturer, but a lot of times I'll see on these larger displays there's like vertical banding or miscoloration between the columns because of how it's matrix driven. But on this display it looks absolutely even to my eye, so that's definitely a plus. And it's nice and big, and just looking at how much more real estate you get on the screen, Even if you use the smallest font packages, like 5 by 7 pixels, it's perfectly readable. And I wish I could convey, the color of this. It looks a lot nicer. You can kind of see the reflection on the top of my hand. That's the actual color. It's a very bright, vibrant green. It reminds me of old monochromatic CRTs that were, the green color. Looks really super cool, and I'll have a lot of fun. I'll actually build this into the Arduboy. I'm thinking of making it like a Game Boy Advance style, because the display is kind of wider. Or I guess I could make it, DMG styled or something. But anyway, yeah, this is really cool, and this will help a lot. So definitely huge thanks for ICStation for generously sending this in for review. And yeah, these guys are really neat to throw into projects. They're a serial interface, as I stated before, so you really don't need a lot of wires or pins for your microprocessor. And so yeah, that's basically it. I can just sit here and play all day on this. But anyway, I'll let you guys go. And if you have any questions, put them down below. And if you want to integrate something like this into a project, affiliate links for ICStation will be down below as well. So you guys can get going on that, as well as seeing the other OLED displays that they have up. So anyway, I've rambled on for long enough, and there we go, nice and focused, and I'll see you guys next time.